just beautiful, especially in the darkest and the coldest part of the year. Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. That mume is a present from Grega Barbic. Thank you, Grega, I am really enjoying it. But this is the Scots pine with a whole another story. Sometimes the customers bring the tree in for the maintaining or just for the time of their vacation, but it is not so rare that the tree then stays in my garden for 3, 4, even more years, and sometimes I never see the owner again. And this tree is one of them. Of course, I take care of them, and occasionally I also put some work in them. Today we will rewire this one. First I will cut the wire from the branches. I think that the wire is on the branches for 5 or even more years, and then I will see from there. I know that this process is boring to watch, but someone has to do it. Meanwhile, my students are coming for the workshop, and this job will be done during it. The student's gone and the wire is off the tree. The tree is a little bit leggy, but otherwise very healthy. You can see that by mycorrhiza, which is growing out of the pot. Now I will try to put some definition and order into the crown, but before the wiring I will clean the 2 trunks which are overgrown by the moss. For now I will use just brush, but at the end I might use also the pressurized water. Of course, I'm trying to protect the bark during the cleaning, but removing the moss is necessary because the moss can do even more damage to the bark than cleaning, and not just to the bark, also for the health of the tree is not good. Oh, I am disturbed again. The new pots for spring repotting are starting to come. Let's unbox this one. Back to the tree, let's put some wire on it. During wiring, I always try to cut back to compact the tree and improve the structure also, of course. Just the very top still needs to be wired, but I'm a little bit too short to do that, so let me use the chair. This is the result, the tree with two slender trunks standing tall and expressing peace and order. The tachigari, bark on the tachigari is starting to dry out as I remove the moss. And if you are wondering what is this red thing on the bark here, this is the lichen, but it is not the aggressive kind, so it can stay on the bark. I also managed to put some empty spaces into the crown. Now what's left to do is to encourage the back budding on the branches. I will try to do that with exposing the pine to the sun, a lot of sun and a lot of fertilizer. And of course I will try to take a good care of this tree until the owner comes back for it. And with that we almost reached the end of this video. Meanwhile the ume from the beginning is in full bloom. At the end, I just want to say thanks to all of my supporters. You can still become the member of this channel, and with that you will get the early access to the videos. You can buy some merch from our web shop, or you can simply click the thanks button below. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.